the unfinished task of building a perfect nation. America is the greatest and most amazing country in the world. People from all over the world are flooding to its shore, drawn by the promise of the mythic American dream, according to Mayfield. Yet this nation is not a perfect nation. The founding fathers lay a strong foundation based upon two main pillars, the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution. Yet, generation after generation, the American people has improved and built upon that foundation. Amendment has been made to the Constitution. A bloody civil war was fought, and an emotionally charged civil rights movement was born. So today I want to make the point that America, although is the best place in the world, is still a work in progress. So my intervention will be built upon these 2 points. First, America is still the best nation on earth. And second, America is in need of continuing improvement. First, America is still the best place in the world because capitalism is a better economic system, and because democracy is a better political system, and because this is really a beautiful and fertile land. And finally, because the American people are good, decent, hardworking, creative, and innovating people. Yet, America is still a work in progress. We still need to maintain what has been done before. We are maintaining our infrastructure. We are upgrading our system. We are innovating and building better and safer cars, computers, airplanes, sea ship, warships, spaceship. And there are still weak spots in the system, such as economic inequalities, social injustice, systemic racism, health challenges with old and new diseases like cancer, HIV, COVID-19. Even our defense system, although the most powerful, can show its limits. Think about 9/11. Our political system seems to be too fragile with its radical partisanship and divisiveness. Our most precious rights, such as freedom of speech, freedom to protest, freedom of the press, religious freedom, and the right to bear arms, could be the same thing that could destroy us if misused by people with evil intention. And the dream is still a dream. We are still hoping for a better economic condition for all Americans and for better financial wealth for individuals and families. We are still in the pursuit of happiness. Will Smith, 2006. We are still hoping to remain the best in technological and scientific innovation, the best in education achievement, the best in cultural creativity, the best place on earth for all things positive. So, in conclusion, let me say America has come a long way and still moving forward, building upon what has been done and built before, never fully satisfied, always improving, innovating, creating, searching. We have been through horrible crises together and overcome them all together. So let me say with Martin Luther King Jr. that I'm hopeful because I have the audacity to believe in the American people, in their decency, their creativity, their ingenuity, and their faith in God. So the state of the union is still strong in spite of